Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you Bulkhead from Transformers: The Last Knight. He can transform a lot. This is my first video I'm ever doing on YouTube, so hope you like it. So this is how you transform. Just push that down, and then that, and then there he is. To transform him back into the car, push that down, and then click these right here. So if y'all were wondering, there are 4 Transformer movies. I think this is like the last one or something. So each movie is PG-13, so I haven't seen it. While I'm 13, I might do another video about us watching all those videos. It's gonna be a long one though. But right now I'm just doing a quick little review. So he's got some windows right there, some blinkers, here's some cannons, more windows. Here's some black wheels. Now, if you actually look at them, they're right down there. And it also has the little Transformer logo. And this guy is really fun to play with. I mean, for some of y'all, it might not be fun, but he's pretty fun for me to play with. You can collect 12 of them. They're at Kroger. I don't know where it is, but it's like, I know it's a Kroger, and you can collect 12 of these little guys. This is my first one I've collected, and we're going to be making the next video. Please make sure to watch the next video, a Micro Pop one of me showing you all the Micro Pops I had, and please click the subscribe button. Thank you.